What's up, guys? My name is Logan Spring, and today I want to introduce you to the Ecoslay Jello Shot. I reach for this gel all the time, especially when I want style retention that lasts all week, but I don't have the time to meticulously style every single curl clump. But it can be a little tricky to use. So in this video, I'm going to give you a couple of tips so that you get the best results possible with your brand new product. First things first, you want to make sure that you start off with super clean hair. Make sure you are really working in your cleanser, not just in your scalp, but all the way down the length of your hair so that you have a nice clean shell to start with. Secondly, you want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled and nice and soft and soaking wet using a botanical conditioner. This is going to create the perfect surface for the Jello Shot to do its thing. Work that leave-in or cream until you get this milky whiteness, and you'll know that your hair is ready to retain style for the long haul. Look at how wet my hair is after applying this leave-in conditioner. Then grab a generous dollop of the Jello Shot gel and emulsify it in your hands completely to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And use a praying hand motions with very little pressure to apply it to your hair everywhere. Once you have this gel applied, you can go ahead and add a single strong scrunch, which is going to recreate your curl pattern and really set that gel and help it sink all of the way inside of your hair shaft. Then use that same smashing scrunch motion with a super slippery towel to press a little bit of the water out of the hair and get it ready to dry. I like to start with low heat, high fan in a hover diffusing motion. This is going to set your cuticle closed and help to create a nice strong cast on your curls. Then go ahead and turn the fan down to medium and start pixie diffusing. This is where you scoop your curls up into the basket of the diffuser to encourage more curls and create more volume. Follow these simple steps and I promise you are going to absolutely love your results.